Hi, my name is Cody. I'm an HVAC tech here at HomeFix. I'm going to take you on AC tune-up. So the first thing we're going to check is get the disconnect over here turned off so we have no power going to the unit to keep it safe for us. Open up all the electrical components. Now that we got access to this, one of the main reasons why we say to call a professional like ourselves is if you reach in here and start touching things, you could actually get shocked by the capacitor here. So we discharge that, make sure that's all okay. Check all of your electrical connections, make sure everything's nice and tight. Over time, these connections actually will loosen up on you sometimes. And if that's the case, you can overheat the electrical circuit, melt the contactor, cause problems for you to not have your AC running. So now at this point, after we checked everything else, we noticed that the condenser coil is actually pretty dirty. So we'll disassemble everything, hose it off. Sometimes it gets really bad where we'll have to use a light chemical to clean it. This situation, we don't have to. We can just use the water pressure. And we always take the top off, clean it from the inside out, push all the debris from the inside of the coil outward, since it's all pulled inward from the fan. And that's a main thing you want to try to do every year with the way it is here in Colorado, is getting their condenser coils cleaned. So now we take our supply and return readings and we check for a proper delta T on there. This will tell us everything we need to know. If we don't have a proper delta T, we could have filter issues, airflow issues. We could also have an issue with the refrigerant charge. Blower wheel could be dirty. And we determine all that after taking all of our temperature readings, and then let you know from there if we need to make any more adjustments, any repairs, clean other stuff while we're here. So the reading coming out of the supply register here was telling us how much air is being moved through the system. And right now we're about 300 to 500 feet per minute, which is right where we wanted to be for this size of ducting. On the maintenance, we always check the drain line. We cleaned out this drain line, cleaned out the P-trap, and inspected going all the way down to the floor drain. We always inspect the filter on every AC tune-up as well. Do a visual. If it's okay, we'll leave it. If you have one, we usually change it out for you, or if we need to, we'll provide you with a new filter. Thanks for coming along with us today at HomeFix to do an AC tune-up on your system. If you need any help, any questions, concerns, give us a call. We're glad to take care of you.